Hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. I am Madhu and I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle and fashion. But before proceeding, please hit on the subscribe button and bell icon as well so that you get notifications every time I upload a new video. And if you like the video, don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button as well. Today's video is all about my hair. It is raining heavily in Pune most of the time, and I don't know what is there with my hair and the rain. Though I'm at home only, but my hair behaves really bad during the rainy season, and that is why I was actually looking for something that could solve my hair problems. So basically in this video I'm going to show you all a product that has worked on my hair, and it has been used by a lot of people. I actually went through a lot of videos, saw the review of this product, and then only I sought to get my hand on this product to use it on my hair. Every time during the rainy season I get a lot of hair fall. My hair become very frizzy and they just go here and there. So yes, this is my hair. So let's just talk about the product now. You all might have seen a lot of videos and advertisements these days about this product, and that's why I decided to try it myself. This is the product. This is basically L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum. So this product has been recently launched in India, and it says it can be used as a daily routine for your hair. It is perfect for a finishing touch or as an overnight serum. It has versatile uses, and it says that spread 2-3 drops evenly on the palm of your hands before applying oil from the middle to the tips of your hair. It gives extraordinary moisture, it gives sumptuous softness and luxurious shine to your hair. So the claims are actually very big. It says that it is made for all hair types, and it is made of 6 different types of flour, and definitely those all different types of oils are going to give nourishment to our hair. So that's a good thing. I have a bottle of 100 ml and it is for rupees 499. So I don't find it really expensive. The packaging is also good. It is a glass bottle. Basically it has a pump which you can press and the product will come out. It has a lock as well. If you can see, this rotates, so if you put it on the right side it gets locked, so it prevents leakage of this oil as well. So very travel friendly too. I'm just going to apply this product right now on my hair and will show you what changes you can see right away. So this is my hair, and because I had to make this video I have combed it properly. So I'm just going to take 2-3 drops of this oil, 2-3 drops of this oil on my palm. Rub it a little bit. One thing I would like to say that it has very soothing fragrance. So just look at my hair. I'm getting an immediate shine, which definitely feels very good. You can't basically see the frizziness exactly on my hair. So as I was saying, it is giving an immediate result to my hair. Look at this. So I have been applying this serum on the lens of my hair after basically washing my hair every time. And as I said, I see significant changes immediately after applying this oil serum. So it is definitely solving my immediate hair problems, as it immediately reduces the tangles of my hair, and which makes my hair feel very smooth, shiny and manageable. One thing I'll surely please note it, that I have definitely felt that this makes my hair very smooth. This serum gives an extraordinary smoothness to my hair. So that actually prevents tangles in my hair, and which makes it very manageable, smooth, and definitely it gives an immediate shine to my hair. I have also used this serum before using any kind of heating tools on my hair. So it basically acts as a heat protectant as well. So you can see the difference. See, this is the other side. See, look at this. So this is the other side. Just have a look at this. The hair is still very stiff and frizzy, but look at this side. Look at this side. The hair is all very smooth, shiny, manageable, flowy, everything. So that is the difference that I want to show you guys. So I am definitely considering this as a permanent product in my hair care regime. Look at the difference. This is still like this and this is like this. So flowy, so smooth, and I'm loving it. So I'll just say you all that you should try it on your own. Don't go on what I am saying, but I would request you all to just try it once, and I'm sure that you will definitely going to see the difference that your hair gets after applying this L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum on your hair. It says that it can be used in 12 different ways. So first is on dry hair to add some shine, before blow dry, pre-shampoo treatment to control frizz, before styling. So on dry hair, before blow dry, pre-shampoo treatment, before styling, use it before using a curling iron. Helps to detangle hair, protect against split ends, application before braiding your hair, to tame small flyaway hair, as an overnight treatment, DIY hair treatment. So it's upon you, whatever way you would like to use this serum, but it can definitely be used in a lot of different ways, and that's another yay for this product. It claims that 1 or 2 drops of this serum not only just gives an intense nutrition and shine to your hair, but it also protects our hair against 4 different aggressions. It protects our hair from humidity, it cuts frizz and smoothens hair by 87% for 24 hours. Second, against the UV rays. It cuts UV damage from sunlight by 43%. Third, against the heat. So it says it protects from the heat up to 230 degrees Celsius. And third, against friction. Up to 98% less hair fall from breakage. So I think that's all I wanted to talk about this product. I am going to definitely recommend this product to you all. Link will be there in the description box in case if you want to buy it and try it. You'll definitely going to get results out of it. If you try it, please mention on the comment section how you like it. And if you have any further suggestions or queries, definitely you can ask me by putting your comments down below. I hope you guys have liked this video and you have found this helpful. If you have liked it, please hit on the thumbs up button. Please go and hit on the subscribe button. That will be a great support for me. Till then, take care of yourself, live crazy, be beautiful, and keep your environment clean. Also stay safe. Bye bye.